Essay on my hobby gardening. Gardening is a fulfilling and enriching hobby that allows individuals to connect with nature, experience the joy of nurturing life, and find solace in the beauty of plants. Whether one has a small backyard, a balcony, or even a few pots indoors, gardening offers a therapeutic escape from the stresses of daily life. This essay explores the joys and benefits of gardening as a hobby, including the physical, mental, and environmental rewards it brings. Nurturing nature. Gardening is a wonderful way to contribute to the environment and nurture nature. By cultivating plants, we play a vital role in promoting biodiversity and providing habitats for various creatures such as bees, butterflies, and birds. Gardening also allows us to grow our own organic fruits, vegetables, and herbs, reducing our reliance on mass-produced, chemically treated alternatives. Through composting and proper waste management, gardening helps to minimize waste and promote sustainability. Moreover, by selecting native plant species, we can conserve water and support the local ecosystem. Therapeutic benefits. Engaging in gardening has numerous therapeutic benefits for the mind, body, and soul. The physical activity involved in digging, planting, weeding, and watering provides a gentle form of exercise, improving flexibility, strength, and overall well-being. Gardening also offers a sense of accomplishment and pride as we witness our efforts bearing fruit, literally and metaphorically. The act of nurturing plants promotes mindfulness and relaxation, allowing us to disconnect from the noise of modern life and find inner peace. Additionally, spending time amidst nature has been shown to reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance mental clarity. Creativity and learning. Gardening is an opportunity for creative expression and continuous learning. From selecting the right plants for specific environments to designing aesthetically pleasing arrangements, gardening allows us to unleash our creativity. We can experiment with different colors, textures, and scents, creating a personalized sanctuary. Furthermore, gardening provides an ongoing learning experience as we deepen our understanding of plants, their growth cycles, and their specific needs. This knowledge can be shared with others, fostering a sense of community and encouraging lifelong learning. Conclusion. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It is a source of joy, tranquility, and connection with the natural world. By nurturing nature, enjoying therapeutic benefits, and engaging in creativity and learning, gardening enhances our lives in numerous ways. It allows us to experience the wonders of nature firsthand and instills a sense of responsibility towards the environment. So, grab a shovel, get your hands dirty, and let the beauty of gardening blossom in your life. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.